Hi everyone, Michelle here, owner and founder of Nifty Package Company, a luxury gift basket and mobile gift wrapping business. This is a business I started at age 50, a year after my husband passed away. And so I'm here to tell you, if you want to learn how to be profitable in your business, I've had my own struggles. I've had to learn a lot. I'm here to share with you how you can be profitable in your gift basket and your mobile gift wrapping business. So I'm going to share with you 7 strategies on how you can increase your revenue on your gift basket business. Okay, so the number one is you want to cut out the perishables. So what I mean by that is this: be very aware of your perishables. Know the sell-by dates. And when you're asking the vendor when they ship something to you, then you want to make sure that you know when those items go out of code. What can happen, and has happened to me, is that the vendor will send you popcorn, and that popcorn will have a 2-week or 3-week rate on it of expiry dates. And that can set you back because you may not use all that popcorn for a particular order. So you want to make sure you know the vendor and you know the product, the codes, how long is the shelf life for this product that you're ordering. Now, for some gifts, if I'm doing a big project, then I can order that 3-week-old sell-by date popcorn and utilize it because it's going to go right out the door. And then because it's actually less costly and it's also GMO free, so it's great popcorn. And then utilize my other popcorn vendor for other projects that I have that require a longer shelf life. So you just want to really think through that. Then what you can do is have what the gals do for me at the shop and for all of us is we have a bucket of items that are going to go out of code within the next 30 days so that we can add on something to a gift that's being ordered. And then that way it just goes the extra mile, which is always our goal. Give more than ask for. So that also helps you not lose money on those items. Okay. So number 2, specialize for corporate clients. Corporates don't like cutesy necessarily. They like convenience. So you want to make sure that you have an attractive gift and one that can be sold and very neutral. So male or female, whoever's receiving the gift. Business to business has bigger budgets. So a 20 gift order versus a 1 gift order, you're making more profit. And that sometimes you can give a discount if they order 20 or if they order by a certain date. Number 3, upsell with add-ons. Give a done for you type of a project. So these include pop-by gifts or drop-by gifts. So what that means is this, especially somebody in the real estate or financial services, they want to stay top of mind with their clients. So you can offer to make them 20 to 30 to 40 drop-by gifts, meaning it's a little cookie and a treat or organic milk, and put it in a bag and have it all ready to go for your particular client that they can drop off for their client. So it's called a pop by. I'm just popping by to drop this gift off, or a drop by, meaning I just decided to drop by and leave you this little gift. That's what you can do as well for your clients. Then also number 4, be a concierge type of business. So themed items. For example, you've got Nurses Week, or you have Valentine's, or you have holiday, Christmas, fall. So theme your gifts and make it easy for them to pick the gifts that they want. That's a way you can do that. Also, another add-on that you can do or solution is cross-market. I highly recommend cross-marketing. And that is this: if you wisely add on mobile gift wrapping as a service, and you can check out one of my videos, I'll tell you all about the profitability of the gift wrapping. You can cross-market. So somebody that you offer mobile gift wrapping services to could buy your baskets and vice versa. So it's just an upsell. It's a way to increase your income. Okay. Number 5, decrease your expenses. Decreasing an expense automatically gives you a raise. It just does. So it takes longer to earn $20 than it does to decrease an expense. And what I mean by that is this: pay attention to your shipping and your delivery costs. I made a very big mistake one year, not accounting for the increase of shipping costs. And I lost a lot of money that year. And I learned my lesson terribly. So there's some things to think about. The size of your box matters. So if you have a 12-inch gift and you're shipping it in a 16-inch box, it costs you a lot more money to ship that 16-inch gift box than it would be for you to have a 14-inch gift box. That space matters. So space on your box matters. The other thing is this: if it's going to cost you $20 to deliver a gift today, let's just say you can actually deliver the gift tomorrow, consider shipping. If it costs me $7 to ship across town in one day, but it cost me $25 to hand deliver the gift, unless I paid for it to have it delivered, then I actually save money by shipping that gift. So consider that. Scarcity, number 6, scarcity and seasonal items. What you could do is this: create a very cool gift, wellness gifts, holiday gifts, and cookie baskets or baked goods baskets. Even though I talked about perishables, I definitely encourage perishables during holiday because they move very quickly, and fresh baked goods are a very big deal. Also, side note, we do a lot of organic fruit, so we'll just buy it that particular day, but I only buy enough for what I need. I don't buy extra of the fruit. That's a big thing. So I definitely recommend that. Anyway, scarcity is I only have 100 of these, or I only have 20 of these. And also the other thing can be dates. This price is only good until this particular day. So make sure you can, consider scarcity. Also look at the trends, see what's trending, and make some of those things, as long as they're beautiful and they're wanted and they're selling. Don't make something that people don't want. The last one would be, or 7 would be, cultivate a portfolio with your images, not a sales page. So with using your Instagram and your Facebook, you're creating a portfolio of the work that you have done, and you're not trying to sell them. That product will sell itself. That's how we got Too Faced Cosmetics as a client, and that's how we got the Kardashian family as a client. That's what you want to think about. So document as you go. You're not having to create something new. So make sure you make that as a portfolio. And number 8, bonus, teach what you know. Sell your classes. It's okay. I give you permission to sell your classes and sell your expertise. Some people are just naturally really good at certain things. So don't be afraid to sell your class. Teach what you know so that others can benefit. And then it helps create a little extra income for you on the side. So you can absolutely turn your creative passion into a good side hustle or a full-fledged business, depending on what kind of time you want to put in. And also it's very purposeful. We love to give, we're generous, and we love to bring joy. And that's exactly what happens in the gift basket business. And trust me, AI can't make a gift basket the way you can or I can. Sometimes you do have to think. So you're going to design this gift basket, if you're doing custom work like we do, around the person who's receiving it. The AI person can't necessarily think about that, but you can. So if you want to learn more, feel free to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you can also head over to michellemhensley.com, sign up. You can get a free book, and also hit the like and subscribe button here so that you can be notified whenever I put up a new video or a podcast. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. Happy writing.